Welcome to the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates, 1 TS Galaxy, 1 Babu Stol.
Yeah,
how's it?
Yaphila njani?
Siyaphila man.
Yeah.
Ufila kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame yona bengikobhedi kakhulu. Beyiright kunje lasikhala khona. Asali ukuthi abafana abanika igame time ucoach ama 2K kodwa akade ukumixa nama experience. Ngoba njengoba thina stadium ama supporter into sifuna iwin.
Phela nje.
Ya ukuthi sesibambile number 2 angeke sasuka ku number 2 into esifuna yamaze stadium zeri win
Nikhokha imali zenu zayo.
Sikhokha imali zethu njengoba siza kanje kunabantu abasuka o Cape Town kunabantu abasuka eThekwini kunabantu abasuka eLimpopo bazobuka ibhola bazeli win abazelanga ilose or idraw so ucoach naye makacoach akakhombisa into uhlonipha ama supporter ufuna ukuyiwin igame hayi ukuthi ungathi soyenza nje kuphela yebo into enjalo so yinto esikhalelayo leyo
ngendlela endlela ngakhona do you think ukuthi indaba ukuthi ukuhamba ucoach in affectile noma count maybe umdlalo nje
yona isi affecte kakhulu ukuhamba kwa coach kusibuyisele emuva ngoba nalo coach ayo manje naye uyenza okwakhe and i season sekusele 3-4 games i team seyishintsha information yabo into enjalo so lento kahle kahle isibuyisele emuva kakhulu
ngiyazwakala baba ngiyabona uphethe ibhodi la uthi kwenza njani la
beyithi abe uthiwa chairman wethu Ivan Khoza asithathele indoda izosebenza la ekhaya uBen Makhathi
Ben Makhathi
simfuna la ekhaya ngoba indoda iyaziwa isebenza endaweni eziningi manje useKenya national team manje usuku kuManchester United beyacoach abo Ronaldo abantu abadumile abaziwe emhlaba wonke usuku Cape Town City wathatha iMTN 8 wathatha amazulu wafaka ku number 2 first time in history yebhola i-team ya 1932 first time yabo kungena ku top 2
ngenxa yakhe
uBen Makhathi so abamnika i-chance naye uBen simbone la ekhaya ngoba kwamanje maduze ukugcina sikuthiwa ucoach national team yase Nigeria masuka lapho ucoach England national team sina siloko simnyatha sithi akana experience baloko bamthatha ngakhe ngoba kwamanje useKenya i-national team le so kusho ukuthi experience ikhona
no siyabonga kakhulu bafo hard luck for today hopefully bazokuzwa bakulethele ucoach Ben
khuleka uBen usazofika ekhaya
sendleleni
noma bangamlethi kule season kodwa uBen usazofika la ekhaya nakanje
usayofuna experience
yes asibonga injalo lento
thank you
sibonga nawe
njalo For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.